Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create a personal career development plan in Airtable, your perfect tool for the job in 2025. First things first, let's create a new base in Airtable. This is going to be our foundation, where we will structure our career goals, milestones, and the steps to achieve them. A well-structured base gives you a clear overview of your plan and helps you keep track of your progress. Now that we've done that, let's create separate tables for goals, milestones, and tasks. This helps us because it provides a categorization of our objectives, allows us to break down each goal into manageable milestones and further into actionable tasks. Organizing this way makes our career development plan more approachable and less overwhelming. Next up, we need to link these tables together. You'll find an option to create linked records in Airtable. The reason we do this is to ensure that each task is associated with a particular milestone, and each milestone is connected to a specific goal. This way, we can easily see the path to achieving our goals. Now it's time to fill in the details. Start with your long-term goals, then break them down into milestones and further into tasks. Remember to include due dates so you know when to start working on each task. This step is crucial because it gives us a clear roadmap with actionable steps and deadlines, making our career development plan practical and achievable. Lastly, add a progress field to your tasks and milestones. This field should be updated regularly to reflect your current progress. This helps us because it allows us to visually track our progress and stay motivated as we see ourselves moving closer to our goals. And there you have it. You've just created a personal career development plan in Airtable. This tool not only helps you visualize your career path, but also keeps you accountable and moving forward. Remember, the key to a successful career development plan is to break down your goals, make them actionable, and most importantly, track your progress. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Keep moving forward, and we'll see you in the next video.